Hey there! Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered how people are landing jobs in Web3 without any experience, this video is for you. You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need a degree in blockchain, and you definitely don't need thousands of dollars to start. All you need is curiosity, a little effort, and the right plan. So in the next 20 minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start your Web3 career from scratch, even if you're completely new. Let's get started. Before you dive in, let's make sure we understand what Web3 really means. Think of the internet like it has three versions. Web 1, the early internet. You could read information, but not really interact. Web 2, what we use now, YouTube, social media, apps. You can post, create, and share, but big companies still control your data. And now we have Web 3, the next evolution. It's built on blockchain technology, where users own their data, their identity, and even their assets. You've probably heard of crypto, NFTs, or decentralized apps. Those are all part of Web 3. Here's what's amazing. Web 3 isn't just for developers. It needs writers, designers, marketers, editors, and community managers too. Because at its heart, Web 3 is powered by people, not corporations. So, why should you care about Web 3? Because the internet is changing fast. And every time technology shifts, early adopters win big. Brands like Nike, Starbucks, and Adidas are already using blockchain. Even governments are testing digital identity systems. Meanwhile, thousands of Web3 startups are hiring globally, many of them remote first. You can earn in crypto, you can work from anywhere, and you can be part of something that's still just getting started. This is a chance to grow with the internet, not chase it. The best time to start? Right now. Step 1, learn the basics. No need to jump into coding yet. Just start by understanding how it all fits together. Learn what blockchain is, what crypto wallets do, and how NFTs or smart contracts work. You can find amazing free resources like YouTube, LearnWeb3.io, and Alchemy University. Here's a practical tip. Create a free crypto wallet like MetaMask. Send a small token. Play around with it. That small step gives you real experience, not just theory. Follow creators like Francesco Chula and Bankless to keep learning every day. Give yourself just 1 hour a day, and in 1 month, you'll know more than most beginners in the space. Next, find your role in Web3. There are so many paths, and you don't need to code to belong here. If you love building, explore development. Learn Solidity or Rust. If you're creative, go for Web3 design. You can make NFT art, user interfaces, or motion graphics. If you're a good communicator, try community management. You'll moderate chats, run events, and connect people. Writers create blogs, white papers, and social threads. Marketers help projects grow and build audiences. Web3 rewards adaptability. Start where you are, with what you have. A video editor? Edit NFT trailers. A designer? Create DApp visuals. A marketer? Run crypto campaigns. Web3 rewards adaptability. Start where you are with what you have. Now that you've picked a path, let's build your Web3 presence. In Web3, your public activity is your resume. People don't ask for degrees. They look at what you've done online. Start by updating your Twitter or LinkedIn bio. Mention your focus, like Web3 designer or Web3 content creator. Then share what you learn. Post short insights, threads, or even memes. You don't have to be an expert. Just document your journey. Join Web3 communities. Hop into Discord servers, say hello, and offer help. Every small contribution, like writing updates or testing apps, builds your credibility. If you have creative work, showcase it. Use Notion, Behance, or GitHub. In Web3, visibility equals opportunity. So don't hide your progress, share it. All right, let's get real-world experience. Start small. Focus on learning, contributing, and building relationships. Look for bounties, short paid tasks on Dwork or Gitcoin. You'll get hands-on experience and crypto rewards. You can also find internships or freelance gigs on web3.career, Crypto Jobs List, and remote3.co. Join DAOs, decentralized organizations that pay contributors in tokens. Even unpaid volunteering helps. It shows consistency and builds trust. Every task adds to your portfolio. Every conversation adds to your network. Keep showing up. People will start to recognize your name. Next, network smartly. In Web3, networking isn't about business cards. It's about conversations. Join Twitter Spaces, ask questions in Discord groups. Engage with creators, share your ideas, and listen. A simple DM like, "Hey, I'd love to contribute to your project," can open life-changing opportunities. Web3 is surprisingly open, and people reward those who are curious and consistent. Once you've gained experience, start earning. Freelance for Web3 startups. Join DAOs that pay in ETH, USDT, or project tokens. Create NFT art or educational content. Many people combine multiple Web3 gigs like design, marketing, and writing and make a full-time income from anywhere in the world. The opportunities are endless, and the future is decentralized. And finally, keep learning. Web3 changes fast. What's popular today might evolve next month. So stay updated. Read Bankless, Decrypt, and The Defiant. Follow creators, join discussions, and keep experimenting. Because in Web3, your biggest advantage is staying adaptable. Starting a Web3 career with no experience might sound intimidating, but every expert you see today once started at zero. Take small steps. Stay curious. Show up every day. And soon, you'll realize you're already part of Web3. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their own Web3 journey. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.